Master Builder Manole. The construction is repeatedly collapsing. The solution is to sacrifice the young proud bride. Anything that is built from or with errors is going to collapse. The bigger the collapse, the bigger is the desire of the master builder to construct. That leads to dependency. The solution is to renounce pride, to let pride die, and the rebirth through correction of errors. There is a connection between pride and the obsession of creation. The obsession of creation motivates pride. Creation is reproduction. Longing, creative desire. Creative obsession. Longing, thirst for the absolute. Thirst for reproduction. You are proud that you are creating, you are proud of your creation. Your creation cannot be errored, you cannot be errored. Rebellion against pride comes still from a kind of pride. 9 master builders and with Manole 10. The most similar builder is the one that rebels, that is indignated only in the playwright by Blaga. Indignation, disgust, is similar to pride. Disgust precedes anger. When disgusted, you insult. When you let your disgust drive your actions, disgust is acting like pride. Your justice sense is born out of disgust. The sacrifice of life, the proud bride, and not only her for creation, all for creation. All risk, no matter the consequences. You're killing yourself for your creation, and you don't see it. Pride and reproduction. Pride and the future. Only the superior, the proud, is allowed to reproduce. Only pride can have a child. Only the proud bride carries the child. That's why the feeling of entitlement, of being absolutely right and deserving all you request. While pride has a hold on you, you cannot see anything else, you cannot see your errors. Pride focuses your attention. Your whole energy is channeled to your creation, to your reproduction of yourself, whatever that may be, writing, painting, constructing, improving your social financial situation, etc. Your creation is in the future. Pride drives it. Pride takes over your foresight. Pride is living through foresight. Stopping foresight is living in the present as you are with your environment. If you live in the present, you cannot be proud. Living in the present is adapting, finding a way to accept what is as it is. Living in the present is not having a future goal, an object you will create and complete at some future point. Living in the present is limiting your creation to the present, to now, to today. Living in the present is being content with what you create now, and not having a need of more days to create. That is being ready to die today and content with what you have lived already. Not playing the game of reproduction continuously. As even when you finish your creation, the questions comes right after what do I create next? What will be better, bigger, faster? Reproduction is natural. So what is the error? Risk, sacrifice, pain, dependence. But then, if I stop foresight and the reproduction of myself at a proud scale, there will be no change. Nothing good, important, or worth remembering will be created. Is that really so? Is it so that only I can do the things that need to be done? Am I so important? Obviously not. Small accumulations over long periods of time have brought the important things of today, those that reduce or eliminate pain. It is true that we see most prominently a few of the people who made these discoveries and remember them. But they are neither the only ones who made them nor the only ones who could have made them. It is possible to spread the creation effort to multiple people. It is shown by the work done by big companies, by their creative divisions. It can be made into a process. Single individuals can still produce a better result than a group of people, but that is not going to be perpetuated for long into the future. process becomes more important and better performing, more creative than single individuals. The members of the group must have the same goal, the same creation object. In-group competition will, however, bring about individual pride, masterpiece, master object, master part, part of the master, reproduction of the master. Creation is reproduction as software, not as hardware. Software can run on any appropriate hardware. Your creation is your child. Then the hardware that runs it is your child, your son. Pride is feminine. If your reproduction, your creation, your child is not like you in any way, do you feel satisfied by your accomplishment? Or will you give it another try?